It has been one of the biggest talkers over the past few days. Immigration raids in 10 major U.S. cities, including Houston. Tonight, we're getting a closer look at fallout from those raids and a new rule that could impact Central American refugees. Our Brittany Jeffers joining us live in Southwest Houston with details. Brittany?
Yeah, earlier today I got the chance to sit down and speak with an immigration attorney, and he tells us that this is essentially going to be adding another hurdle for those who are trying to seek asylum. But there's others, however, who say that this new rule is necessary. In less than 24 hours, change is coming for some migrants seeking protection in the United States. Immigration attorney Brandon Roche says under the new rule, refugees seeking asylum who pass through another country first will now be ineligible at the U.S. southern border. Instead,
people who cross through Guatemala, for example, so they would have to apply in Guatemala first, stay there, go through the Guatemalan legal system. If they then lost, they would come all the way here. So that would include all your Salvadoran and Honduran refugees seeking asylum in the United States, because they have to necessarily cross through Guatemala and Mexico to get here.
The new rule is being issued by the Department of Justice and Department of Homeland Security and will take effect on Tuesday. The American Civil Liberties Union says it plans to sue President Trump's administration. Roche says although it's early, he can see some issues, including the fact that it applies to unaccompanied minors.
I think there'll be lawsuits across the board. The real question is going to be, what's a safe third country, right? Just because we have a treaty with a third country doesn't mean that country is safe for asylum seekers to remain in while they go through that process.
But others see the benefit. Paul Simpson, county chair for the Harris County Republican Party, says in a statement, quote, "It would be inhumane to let abuse of an asylum loophole to continue," adding, faced with the backlog of over 1 million cases, when 4 out of 5 asylum claims are usually denied when finally heard, we must act now to stop human traffickers and drug smugglers from abusing victims by overwhelming limited resources. Another point that we want to draw attention to is this new rule would apply to migrants who are arriving in the U.S. and not those who are already in the country. Live here in Southwest Houston, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC, Channel 2 News.